All right, so I'm going to do a quick little video here. Um, if you've been around mining and prospecting for any amount of time, you've heard people talk about how they cleaned up the mud in their truck or off their shoes or whatever, and there was gold in it. So earlier today, I vacuumed out the. I got the WeatherTech floor mat, so all that mud that was on my feet from the Oregon trip is still sitting on that floor mat on the driver's side, and the bed of the truck had a bunch of stuff in it too. So I vacuumed it up in my shop vac. So we're gonna do a little experiment. And see if there's any gold in there. So let me flip you guys around. That should do it. Now I emptied the shop vac before I vacuumed all that stuff up. So there's nothing in it. And pretty much all I used it for before this anyway was vacuuming out the pellet stove. So got our little panning station set up, got some jet dry in there. Kind of all the other debris that was in the truck. Actually, quite a bit of muck. Yeah, let's just go with this. Pan this down real quick. I mean, honestly, I'm not really expecting to find anything. But hey, it'd be cool if I did.
TakeTones.com. TakeTones.com.
Nothing in there. See what's in the rest of this. I'll tell you what, if I do find anything, there's quite a bit of mud on my, what do you call them? My other boots, my mucks. There's a whole lot of mud on the quad. If I find any color in this, I'll pick all that mud off by hand. Now, turn this out a little more. And there you have it. Nothing. So, nothing there. Guess it's not worth scraping all the mud off the quad or off my mucks. There might have been one little tiny color in there, which ain't enough to lose sleep over. But hey, never hurts to check. There could have been a nice little picker stuck in that mud, which would have been pretty cool. But not today.